Hello students, let's revise the topic food and nutrition that is important for CTET exam. Did you know that to eat is a necessity but to eat intelligently is an art? What is food? भोजन क्या है? पोषण के लिए ग्रहण किया जाने वाले पदार्थ को हम भोजन कहते हैं. The substances either in liquid or solid form that are consumed for nutritional support is considered as food. Food provides us with energy, maintains life, and stimulates growth. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the chemical substances required by the body. शरीर के लिए आवश्यक रासायनिक पदार्थ को हम nutrients कहते हैं. Now let's understand about how nutrients are classified. Nutrients are primarily classified into macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients प्रमुख पोषक तत्व बड़ी मात्रा में आवश्यक होती है, whereas micronutrients are required in small amounts by the human body. Macronutrients help in the energy and building of the body tissues, whereas micronutrients function in protection and metabolism of the human body. Macronutrients, which provide energy and help in the growth of the human body, are further classified into carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Carbohydrates are primary energy source, fats are concentrated energy storage, and proteins are body building nutrients. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ऊर्जा का प्राथमिक स्रोत है, फैट्स ऊर्जा का संचित भंडार और प्रोटीन्स शरीर निर्माण के लिए बहुत ही आवश्यक होते हैं. Now let's understand about micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals are the prominent micronutrients that are essential for everyone. Vitamins protect against diseases, बीमारियों से सुरक्षा करते हैं, और मिनरल्स हड्डियों, रक्त और तंत्रिका स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही अनिवार्य है. It's important to note that micronutrients don't give energy but regulate life processes. ये ऊर्जा नहीं देते लेकिन जीवन प्रक्रियाओं को नियंत्रित करते हैं. Carbohydrates are the energy givers. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. What is their function? Carbohydrates provide energy for daily tasks. दैनिक कार्यों के लिए तत्काल ऊर्जा देने का काम करते हैं. It's interesting to note that carbohydrates is the most abundant nutrient in a balanced Indian diet. भारतीय संतुलित आहार में यह सबसे प्रचुर पोषक तत्व है. Carbohydrates are further classified into simple and complex carbohydrates. सरल शर्करा वो होते हैं जो स्वाद में मीठा और पानी में घुलनशीलता रखते हैं, शरीर में जल्दी टूटकर ऊर्जा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्लूकोज दैट्स कॉल्ड एज ब्लड शुगर, फ्रक्टोज फ्रूट शुगर, and lactose, milk sugar, etc. Now what are complex carbohydrates? जटिल कार्बोहाइड्रेट वो होते हैं जो मीठे नहीं होते and they have the nature of not being soluble in water. They function as stored energy, संचित ऊर्जा के रूप में कार्य करते हैं. Some examples are starch and glycogen. Starch is found in grains and tubers, अनाज और कंद में पाया जाता है, and glycogen is stored in the human liver and muscles. Under the study of food and nutrition, it's important to understand about the role played by cellulose. Cellulose is found in plant cell walls. Human beings cannot digest cellulose. And what is the role played by cellulose? It acts as roughage, dietary fiber that's very useful for healthy digestion. Now listed below are some of the best sources of the following nutrients. Wheat, rice, potato, maize, sweet potato are good sources of starch. Sugarcane, honey, banana, and mango are considered best sources of sugars. Green leafy vegetables and whole grains are good sources of roughage. चलिए जानते हैं कि स्टार्च की परीक्षण कैसे किया जाता है. कोई भी खाद्य पदार्थ पर 2 या 3 बूंदे आयोडीन घोल का डालिए और अगर उसमें स्टार्च की उपस्थिति हो तो वो उसका रंग बदल जाता है. The original color of iodine solution is light brown and it changes to blue-black if starch is present in it. It's time to test our knowledge. इनमें से कौन सा कार्बोहाइड्रेट मनुष्यों के यकृत में संचित होता है और ऊर्जा भंडार के रूप में कार्य करता है? Your options are starch, cellulose, glycogen, sucrose. Yes, the right answer is glycogen. You should remember that plants store energy as starch, whereas animals store energy in the form of glycogen. Here's the second question. एक शिक्षिका ब्रेड के टुकड़े पर नीला काला रंग परिवर्तन दिखाती है. वह किस पोषक तत्व की पहचान कर रही है? Your options are fats, simple sugar, starch, protein. The right answer is starch. Always remember that sugar does not react with iodine to turn blue black, only complex starch does. केवल starch ही iodine के साथ नीला काला रंग देता है. Here's the third question. Why is cellulose considered an essential part of our diet even though it has no nutritional value? Options are: it provides instant energy? No. Does it help in the removal of undigested food? Yes. Does it repair body tissues? No. Does it prevent vitamin deficiency? No. So the right answer is that cellulose helps in the removal of undigested food as Rafi. Now the last question is for you to try. परीक्षण के दौरान एक छात्र ने पाया कि खाद्य पदार्थ आयोडीन के साथ नीला काला हो गया, लेकिन कॉपर सल्फेट परीक्षण में कोई परिणाम नहीं दिया. इसमें से कौन सा सही जवाब होगा? Your options are: only carbohydrate is present, only protein, the food contains both carbohydrate and protein, or the food contains fats only. Think and comment your answers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.